Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet this crochet button. So to make this I have used single crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches. You can use this button in number of your crochet projects. You can use this button as a hair tie. Also you can make the necklace by using this button. So here I made this necklace. So before we start to make this crochet button, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet these buttons. So to make this I am going to use this embroidery cotton thread. This is size 25 and it's 8 meter, and for this embroidery thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 1.5 mm, but you can make this button with any thread of your choice, and according to thread size you just need the required crochet hook. You will need one stitch marker, needle and scissors. You will also need one small size button. Make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. Once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 10 single crochet stitches. Single crochets. If you are working in a magic ring, just pull this loose end of this ring to close. Round 1 is done. Now in round number 2, now we are going to work continuously. So take your hook, top of first stitch, and here we are going to make 2 half double crochets. So this is our first stitch. Grab the thread, take your hook on top of that and make 2 half double crochets. One more in same stitch. 2. Place the marker on your first stitch. And top of next stitch, here make 1 half double crochet. Then on next stitch make 2 half double crochets. Now just repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 1 half double crochet, then in next make 2, 1 2 1 2, like this. Repeat these stitches and work till your last single crochet stitch. Round number 2 is done and we have 15 stitches. Now in round number 3, top of first stitch make 2 single crochets. Now we are going to work in the back loop of this stitch. So you can see this stitch has a V shape. So this is the front loop and this is the back loop. So we are going to work on the back loop of these stitches. So take your hook into the back loop of next stitch and make 1 single crochet here. Then take your hook in the back loop of next stitch, make 2 single crochets. Then work in back loop, make 1 single crochet. Then work in the back loop and make 2 single crochet. So like this, make 1 single crochet, then 2 1 2, and work till your last stitch. So round number 3 is done and we have 23 single crochet stitches. Now just take the button and place this to the back side. So you can see this stitches has fully covered the button, but if you are using a different size button, so you just need to repeat the round number 2 and round number 3 until you get the button fully covered by these stitches. So once you get the required size of your circle according to your button size, now we are going to make the edges for the button. Now take your hook, top of first stitch, here make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then in next stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next 1, then in next 1. So like this, make 1 single crochet and work till your last stitch. So we made the 1 single crochet. Again just place this button inside your work. Now just make 1 single crochet until you reach to the halfway of this button to make the edges. So I made total 2 rounds, so you can see this. So this rounds covered half of my button. Now we are going to close this gap. So make 1 single crochet, then decrease 1 single crochet. Now to do the decrease, take the front loop of first stitch, then take the front loop of next stitch, grab and pull from all 3 loop. So we have decreased 1 single crochet. Now work on next stitch, make 1 single crochet, then work in next 2 stitches, make 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, so like this, make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease and work till your last stitch. when you reach to the last 2 stitches, here make 1 decrease. So like this center space get little small. Now again we are going to make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, so like this you need to make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease until you reach to this last stitch. But if you have a bigger size of button, so you just need to decrease like this until you get the smaller space at the center. So make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease like this. You can reduce these stitches and make this space little smaller. Now we have this remaining stitches. Now we are going to close this gap. So take this thread and a needle, take the front loop of next stitch, this, then take the front loop of next stitch, pull this needle and thread, then take the front loop of next stitch, then in next pull the needle and thread like this. You just work on the remaining stitches, take the front loop of each stitch and close this space. So this button is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.